students, welcome to Shri Sid Vidyapeeth School. I hope you're all doing good and staying safe from this COVID-19. So students, today we are going to solve the question and answers of the chapter Sachin Tendulkar, the Master Blaster. In this chapter, we read about the Sachin's childhood, early days, how he started playing cricket, how he got selected to the team, and who was his mentor. We got to know about things like this. So today we're gonna solve the question and answers. So let's begin it. Right below the chapter, see on page number 51, reading comprehension. Answer these questions within 20 words each. Who did Sachin play cricket with when he was young? Sachin played cricket with his colony friends when he was young. Name his favorite players. His favorite players were Sunil Gavaskar and the West Indian legend Vivi Richards. How many sets of cricket clothes did Sachin have? Sachin had only one set of cricket clothes. Where was the camp held? The camp was held in Shivaji Park. How long did it take for Sachin to travel to the camp? It took Sachin 40 minutes to travel to the camp. Move on to next one. Answer these questions in 30 to 40 words each. When did Sachin transition from playing with a tennis ball to playing with a cricket ball happen? Sachin's transition from playing with a tennis ball to playing with a cricket ball happened in Shivaji Park under the watchful eyes of Ramakant Achikar, the cricket coach at Shadashram Vidya Mandir School. Write a short note on Ramakant Achikar. Ramakant Achikar was the cricket coach at Shadashram Vidya Mandir School. He started playing cricket at the age of 11 and played for a number of Mumbai clubs including the Gulmohar Mills and Mumbai Port, and played a first-class match for the State Bank of India against Hyderabad in 1963. He was one of the most accomplished coaches in Mumbai when Sachin was growing up. Describe Sachin's selection process at Ramakant Achikar's camp. Sachin was so nervous at the presence of Achikar sir that he couldn't prove his mettle at first. Achikar sir told Sachin's brother Ajit that he could not take him as he was too young. However, Ajit convinced sir to give him another chance and requested him to move away as his presence was making Sachin nervous. Sir complied as Sachin hit the ball well and was permitted to join the camp. What was Sachin's day like once he was accepted in the summer camp? Sachin practiced between 7:30 am to 10:30 am, went home for lunch and returned in the afternoon to continue his training till late evening. He had to travel 40 minutes to reach the camp. He had to catch an early morning bus to make it to the camp on time. The schedule was quite rigorous and he would be exhausted at the end of the day. Move on to next one. Answer these questions in 80 to 100 words each. Ajit was a great inspiration to his younger brother. Explain the statement with examples from the text. Ajit was a great inspiration to Sachin, knowing that Sadashram was the best organized in its approach to cricket. He took him to Achikar sir's camp in Shivaji Park to be trained. When Sachin failed to impress Sir the first time, he requested him to give his brother a second chance and showed that Sachin was capable of playing well. For the first few days, he accompanied Sachin to the camp and got him used to the routine. During the bus journey, he would talk to Sachin about the nuances of batting, and Sachin not only enjoyed these sessions but also learnt a lot. Throughout his career, he has carefully retained the note containing some thoughts about batting that Ajit gave him. It served as a very personal coaching manual. Second one. At the age of 11, Sachin Tendulkar sacrificed his summer holidays to practice cricket. Is it important to make sacrifices to achieve your goal? Give reasons for your answer. Yes, it is important to make sacrifices to achieve your goals. Unless you focus on your objectives, you cannot fulfill them. What you need to achieve your goals is a single minded devotion and complete concentration. This can be done only when you give up a few things to devote all your time to attain the goal you have set for yourself. Very often, people tend to get distracted by some temptations that come their way. Distraction can completely lead you astray and you waste precious time doing things which are unnecessary and make you unable to achieve your goal. You may have to sacrifice hours of sleep and rest, recreation, and give up your comforts to achieve your goals. But all these sacrifices will be worth it for you, will ultimately be able to attain what you want. Move on to next one. Read these sentences and answer the questions that follow. This time, Sir agreed to let me join the camp. Who is Sir? Sir is Ramakant Achekar, the cricket coach at Sadashram Vidya Mandir School. What do you know about the camp? The camp was held at Shivaji Park in summer and it had nets for players from all age groups starting with the sub-junior, under 15 and junior under 17 levels. How was this time different from the previous time? This time was different from the previous time because Achekar sir had moved away so that Sachin did not feel nervous in his presence. Sachin hit the ball well this time and got accepted in the summer camp. During the bus journeys, he would talk to me about the nuances of batting. Who is he? He is Ajit, Sachin's elder brother. Where would the bus take them? The bus would take them to Shivaji Park. What was the speaker say immediately after this? The speaker says that the one thing he has kept with him all his career is the note containing some thoughts about batting that Ajit gave him. So students, here are the solutions for the chapter Sachin Tendulkar, the Master Blaster. Kindly note it in your class note copy, learn it by heart it. If you have any doubt regarding this chapter, you can ask me. I am going to clear it out in the next video.